Are you thinking of quitting your job? If so, then you are not alone. A global survey of 2021 revealed that 54% employees considered leaving their current employer if some sort of post-pandemic flexibility was not offered. Now, this phenomenon is called the Great Resignation, and the US is already experiencing it. But will similar behavior follow suit in India? What exactly fuels this Great Resignation? We're going to decode it for you. Now, ever since the pandemic was upon us, both developed and developing countries have been trying desperately to recover and get back to their old ways. In the US alone, 20.2 million employees left their jobs voluntarily between May 2021 and September 2021. And several employers struggled to retain their employees. And if reports are to be believed, this behavior and this pattern will spill into 2022 as well. The economic landscape of India, however, is different from the West. So in India, lack of social security and unemployment lingering over the Indian workforce, it does not leave the employees with a similar window of exit. So then why are people quitting? A spectrum of factors like the fear of contracting the virus to paltry wages are governing the Great Resignation. Employees are looking for a more diverse working ecosystem in terms of flexibility and their personal goals. And moving forward, companies which can't keep up with it are falling prey to employees quitting voluntarily. Now, the work from home situation for a lot of employees has also triggered a demand for structural changes. Employees continuing with that structure are looking at their emerging demands like medical expenses or working from larger homes. And employers who are not willing to accommodate their financial demands are actually driving employees to quit. In India, the informal job sector was beat down terribly during the pandemic. Almost 80% of the informal workers lost their jobs. But in the organized sector, the Indian economy saw an increase in job openings in 2021 than the last year. Likewise, the IT sector saw an increase in expansive hiring. But some reports suggest that the IT industry in India will tentatively see higher resignations eventually, with an attrition rate of 22 to 23% in 2021. So employers have a new task at hand, that is to handle this new normal. By looking at high employee mobility and reasonable flexibility to meet employees' immediate demands, this could help them recruit long-term talents. So with trends like higher rates of migration and more flexible work models, employers can tailor and actually make models to suit their employees' financial, social and developmental needs.